Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Today's video is super exciting because today's video is sponsored by hair.com and they are sponsoring today's video with their Loreal Steampod. I have been using my Steampod since December. I'm gonna link the very first time that I tried this hair tool down below. I'm gonna link that video down below. If you guys want to check it out, I tried it on curly hair, like my natural curly hair, and it worked great on my natural curls. I usually just use it after a blowout, so I'm going to show you guys how I use my Steampod. I use it all the time. It literally has become my go-to straightener. I love it so much and it works great on my curly hair, but I usually use it just like after a blowout. So I did blow up my hair and I'm going to show you guys kind of how I use this straightener. Also, I do have a giveaway for you guys. I have just been doing giveaways left and right. I love it. I'm going to be giving away a brand new Steampod, a L'Oreal Steampod. So stay tuned so you can know how to enter the giveaway. Hair.com also sent me a couple of other cute things. Look at this hat, it's so cute. And they also sent me this little ring light for your phone. I know my hair is like pretty much straight, but the roots are a little bit wavy, so as you can see, the roots are a little bit wavy, so we are gonna get my hair super sleek. So I'm gonna turn this on. I put it in the highest heat setting, which is 410 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna take a small section. Basically, I just take the straightener and slowly glide it down, just like that. And I don't know if you guys can see the steam coming out, but you see that? It left my hair very shiny and very sleek. So, I mean, right there you can see a quick before and after. This is without the Steampod. You see it looks a little bit more like frizzy, and then this section right here is with the Steampod. A lot more sleek, more shiny. Hair.com also has a lot of other offers and promotions, so I'm gonna put all those details down below. But yeah, definitely check it out. I love the Steampod. You see, it leaves my hair so shiny. I feel like this is the straightener that leaves my hair the shiniest ever, and it's because of the steam. So I'm gonna take this section right here, and remember the arrows have to go down, just like that. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and comment down below your Instagram so I can reach out to you if you win the giveaway. I am giving away a very nice hair tool, like the Steampod. Come on, that's a pretty good giveaway. Alright guys, so this is what my hair looks like after I straightened it. It is so nice and soft and shiny. Like, look at this shine. It's so shiny, so sleek, and my hair feels super soft. I like to curl my hair with the Steampod because it gives me such a nice bouncy but also loose curl. So for the curls, you can take a pretty big section. It really depends on how you like your curl. If you like a smaller curl, you can take smaller sections, but this is pretty much the size that I like. I also place the Steampod just how I've been doing it this whole time, with the arrows down. But basically, I grab the hair tool, bring it down a little bit, and then flip it all the way. So now the other side of the hair tool is facing the camera, and I just bring my hair down very slowly. Like very slowly. so you can get a very nice bouncy curl. And there you have it. How cute. So here's the first curl. I love it. So basically the next thing that you're going to want to do is set this curl. So now that it's pretty hot, you're going to take your thumb and you're just going to bring it up in the curl. You see that? You see how I'm just bringing my thumb up? Just like that. It looks funny, but then you kind of twist the hair. Just like that. And you take one of these clips. You can also use bigger clips like this. These work too, but these are my favorite for this hack. You just bring the clip in and then clip it to your head. Just like that. So I'm going to take the Steampod like that, flip it all the way, and try to grab the hair too, especially if it's a pretty big section, so that you don't lose the hair. It's not like moving around or anything. But yeah, just bring the hair tool down like this, slowly. And then that's it. So this section right here, I don't know if you guys noticed, but it did kind of come out of the hair tool, so I'm gonna just recurl it. That happens sometimes, but it's fine. You can just do it separately. I did take a pretty big section, so that's probably why that happened, but there you have it. And I'm gonna join it with this section, just like that. I'm gonna bring my thumb up like this, and then you just kind of twist the rest up like that, and use your clip just to secure everything and set the curl. Clip it to your head. So now I'm going to take another pretty big section, grab the hair tool, bring it down, flip it all the way. Always hold the hair, just bring it down. Like that. You see it's like a very loose curl, but it's still bouncy and very shiny and very beautiful. I'm just setting my curls for about an hour and I'll be back with the final look. Right now it is 2:42, as you can see, so I'll be back at around 3:45, maybe even 4, and I'll show you guys the final look. Hey guys, so it's been an hour, as you can see, 3:47, and now I'm gonna take these off. I didn't put hairspray or anything on my hair, and look at that bouncy curl. So nice. Look at that. So pretty, so shiny and soft. Let me just take all of these off. Look at that. How pretty. Okay. Just taking off all the clips. Wow, that one's beautiful. So here's this side. As you can see, the curls are super bouncy, very nice, shiny, and soft. So pretty. So this is what my hair looks like right now. I love the results. Now I'm gonna run my fingers through my curls just a little bit to give it a more natural look. But look at that volume. I love using the Loreal Steampod to curl my hair because it gives me a different type of curl. More loose, but at the same time you have a lot of volume, and it just looks more elegant in my opinion. It's more shiny, more bouncy. So yeah guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Definitely check out the Loreal Professional Steampod. I love this hair tool. I love straightening my hair with this. I love curling my hair with this. And also try this little hack with these clips. This hack has changed the game for me because now my curls last a lot longer. And if you want to add hairspray as well, once you clip your hair, that is an awesome way to make your curls last all night. I have done this hack so many times already, and with hairspray, without hairspray. My curls do last a little bit longer with hairspray, but even without hairspray, my curls last such a long time. And I just love how my hair doesn't even look frizzy. It looks super shiny. That is what the Steampod does to your hair. I just love my hair. I want to go out. Anyways, thank you so much hair.com for sponsoring this video. Thank you L'Oreal Professional for sponsoring this video with hair.com. I love the final look. Let me know your thoughts down below. Check out everything that I'm gonna link down below in the description box. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Subscribe, enter the giveaway. Don't forget to enter the giveaway so that you can win the L'Oreal Steampod. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye bye.